Yeah.
Noise Day by Shel Silverstein. Let's have one day for girls and voices. When do you make the grandest noises? Screech, scream, holler and yell, buzz and buzzer, clang a bell, sneeze, hiccup, whistle and shout, laugh until your lungs wear out, toot a whistle, kick a can, being a spoon against a pan, sing, yodel, below, hum, blow a horn, beat a drum, rattle a window and slam a door, scrape a rake across the floor, use a drill, drive a nail, turn a hose into a garbage pail, shout yahoo, hooray, hooray, turn up the music all the way, try and bounce your bowling ball, ride a skateboard up the wall, chomp your food with a smack and a slurp, chew, chomp, hiccup, burp one day a year, do all of these, the rest of the day be quiet, please.